Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Black color, light blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, brown color, violet color. Today we will learn some alphabets A to Z. Violet color. A for apple. Brown color. B for book. Pink color. C for candy. Dark green color. D for doll. Orange color. E for egg. Dark blue color. F for flowers. Red color. G for grapes. Yellow color. H for horse. Purple color. I for ice cream. Sky blue color. J for jug. Black color. K for kite. Red color. L for lemon. Dark blue color. M for mango. Purple color. N for nuts. Yellow color. O for orange. Orange color. P for pen. Dark green color. Q for queen. Pink color. R for rainbow. Brown color. S for strawberry. Violet color. T for tiger. Orange color. U for uniform. Red color. V for violin. Black color. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y for yum. Dark green color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.